How to split a video on TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split a video within the TikTok app. So this can be useful if you have a video on your phone that you want to post to TikTok, but you need to edit the video and split it before you post it. So before we get too deep into this video, I do want to say that there is no built-in way to split a video within the TikTok app, but I have found a workaround that works for me. So that's what I'll be showing you. So to get started with splitting a video on TikTok, we want to first open the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then select the plus button in the bottom of the app to create a TikTok video. Once here, rather than selecting the record button, select upload. And then in order to split a video, we need to select not only first the video that we want to split, but then another video on our phone. And we'll be deleting this later, so it can be any video you want. Once you've selected the video you want to split and then another video, select next. And then once here, make sure you select default rather than sound sync. All right, so as you can see, it's showing us the combined videos right here. Now go to the bottom and you'll see the plus symbol. Go ahead and select that and then add the video that you want to split one more time. Once you've selected it, go ahead and select confirm at the bottom. Then at the bottom, select the extra video that we added and then delete that video. So now we have the video that we want to split on here twice. We can select the individual clip at the bottom. We can trim off one side of it so we have just the portion we want, and then select the check mark. After that, you can select the second clip right there, and then we can trim this as well. Once you're done trimming, select the checkbox again, and then as you can see, I have now split this video, removing a portion of the center of the video. Now you can do this as many times as you want. Just hit the plus button, add the same video again, and you can split and edit out portions of the video using this method. Once you're done, select next in the top right, and then you can post it just like you would any other TikTok video. All right, so that's how you split a video on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.